Good morning, students. In previous class, we started chapter number 5, formatting a document. I told option of this chapter: changing the font type, apply, bold, italic, and underline. Now, come on page number 49, changing text alignment. Alignment refers to the positioning of the text on a page. What is alignment? Alignment refers to the positioning of the text on a page. There are four types of alignment in MS Word: align left, center align, align right, and justify align. Now, how to align? Firstly, type your text. By default, alignment is left alignment. By default, alignment is left alignment. Type your text. Yeah, suppose you have type class 3 computer. You can see default alignment of the text is left align. Now you want to right align or center align. Firstly, select text, drag mouse over the text. Then select text. Here you can see left alignment, shortcut key Control L, center align, shortcut key Control plus E, right align, shortcut key Control plus R, and justify align, shortcut key Control plus Z. Now select text, click center align. You can see your text will center align. Now click right align, your text right align. Now again left align, press left align. You can also press shortcut key, select text, Control plus E for central align, Control plus R for right align, Control plus L for left align. Justify align. What is the meaning of justify align? It places the text evenly between the left and the right margins. It places the text evenly between the left and the right margin. Means no left align, no right align. It places the text evenly between of the margin. Okay. This align mostly used in designing books, magazines, and newspaper. Now come on changing text color. Changing text color, page number 50. How to change text color? Changing text color. When you want to change the text color, select text, move on home tab, click on home tab. You can see here is a text color or font color option. Select text, then click font color option, press this right arrow, click this right arrow and select your desired color, red. You can see here color red. Now again select your color green. Now more change, select this. Now again move on font color option, then blue color. You can change color of the text. Here you also make bold, italic, underline. I already told you about this option: bold, italic, select text, italic, underline, now line spacing, changing line spacing between the text, changing line spacing. Again made black, here text color again black, click on U, then underline, not visible. Now type text, this is computer class changing line spacing. Page number 50. How to change line spacing? Firstly, select desired line, then move on home tab, click on home tab. Here is a paragraph group. In this paragraph group, here is a option line spacing. What is the meaning of line spacing? Line spacing is the vertical distance between successive lines of the text in a document. Means you can adjust spacing between the line. How? Firstly, select desired lines, then press line spacing, click on line spacing option. Here are line spacing 1.0, single line spacing, default space 1.15, You can see MS Word already adjusts space between the line 1.15. Now 1.0, you can see your line spacing change. Now 2.0, you can see line spacing now 2.0. You can change again, you can space your desired space. Now press line spacing option. Now give your desired space, spacing 0.5 lines, page break. You can select your desired space between the line and paragraph. Double, at least, here at least meaning no space. Here space between the paragraph. You can change line spacing option. Now bullets and numbering. Page number 51. Creating bullet or numbered list. You can create bullet and number list. Can apply bullets and numbers line. What is the meaning of bullet? A bullet is a small graphic symbol that indicate items in a list. A bullet is a small graphic symbol that indicate items in a list. How to perform bullets and numbering? Now select desired lines. Now move on again home tab, click home tab. In paragraph group, you can see here is a option bullets. Click this arrow and here is desired symbol, circle, disk. This is circle, disk, rectangle, this pen type. Here is desired, tick symbol, then press here. You can see this is bullets. Now type text and press enter key, then bullets. available on your screen. Type text, then press enter key. Type text, then press enter key. Now you want to remove these bullets. Select these lines. Then again move on. Click on bullets button. Then bullets not visible. Again click, then bullets visible. Now changing number, apply number. Just right side of the bullet option, here is a numbering option. You can provide, you can start numbering for your list. Now again more format of the number 1 2 3, this type of 1 2 3, ABC, Roman number, capital Roman number, small Roman number, small ABC. Suppose you want to list, make a list, then firstly type my friends list. Now start numbering. Click on number list option in home tab. You can change numbering again 1 2 3. Now type list, my friend list. This is bullets and numbering. Bullets and numbering option, page number 51. Must keep your book together. Next video, more option of this chapter, border and shading, and apply drop cap. Apply drop cap. Now practice this option and send a small video of your practice. A small video of practice. Thank you.